So you probably know the problem of hand holding a camera and getting a night shot is you either get a blurry image or you have grain the size of footballs because your ISO is too high. So I'm going to teach you how to hand hold a camera at night and why the Canon M-50 is now coming to be my favorite camera. This is something I learned a while back in Photoshop. You set your camera to a pretty high ISO, set your shutter speed the same as the focal length, and that will get you a steady shot. Get your shutter activation set to high speed, multiple shot, crank off 4 to 6 or 7 photos. When you get home, load them into Photoshop. There's a script called Load Layers. Turn on Attempt to automatically align source, as well as Create Smart Object. Then you simply go to Layer, down to Smart Object, pull down to Stack Mode, and then choose Mean. Because the noise has been in different parts of the image, it adds them all up, means them out, and you get reduced noise, a sharp image that's handheld at night. It's awesome. So I've got a couple of demo photos that I've done here. The second one was taken with my Canon M50, because the Canon M50, you pull over to Scene, select Handheld Night Shot. It automatically takes 4 shots, aligns them, stacks them up to mean, and you have your finished photo. Now be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Click the like button for this video because we want to get it out to lots of people, and also click the bell button because I will be giving you more photography tips as well as photography business